Hey everyone, Brandon with Everyday EV here in our brand new Volkswagen ID.4, and I am here to show you one of the quirks of the interior. So one of the quirkiest things about the interior of the ID.4 is that you'll notice that there's only 2 windows, and most vehicles come with 4 window switches. Well, this button right here allows you to switch between controlling the front windows with the rear. So all you have to do is tap this, you'll see it lights up, and we'll hit the switch. Now we'll roll the back window down. And now, if you just want to control the front, you hit that again, and now the front windows go up. Now say for example, you want to drop all 4 windows. Well, you can do that using that same trick. I'll show you. All you have to do is simply press and hold this button for a few seconds. It'll start flashing, and all the windows drop. If you want to learn more tips and tricks of the Volkswagen ID.4, make sure you subscribe to Everyday EV.